Hello everyone, welcome back from Barbie gift shop. Now I'm making the cake for the birthday care. Last day I posted Barbie cake photos. At the time my customer came and told me that I wanted to order this cake for my niece like this design, but the color I wanted pink because my niece like this color, and she ordered some pillows, puddings and pizza. So I feel thanks a lot. That's why today I make it the Barbie cake again. The Barbie cake is, I think, every girl will like, so I'm trying the best. My cake is soft, delicious, and the customized design is very good. So every my customers came in, order again, and so that's why I want to say thanks a lot for this. If you want to order some cake, please tell me 2 days before birthday. And because of the electricity and weather, so I hope after the birthday girl see this Barbie cake and she will happy and get the good time with my cake. Okay, bye bye. I want to say to my customer from here, thanks again.